Hello, mic check 1 2. What's good? It's your girl Strong Warrior. How y'all feeling? Yo, life has been a fucking movie, bro. Like, I can't even pinpoint and tell you. So much has been happening. The energy fluxes are crazy, bro. And I'm just like, wow, B. Like, shout outs and prayers up for all of us, because this shit is not easy. Y'all see that 7 of Cups here, so we talking about these opportunities. We talking about possible emotional loss. We talking about possible deaths, literal, and figuratively. You know what I mean? All that jazz. So we're gonna go ahead and tap in. See what we need to heal from. Okay. Make sure y'all seeing what I'm seeing. So somebody here is acting all kind of like impulsive because of a fear-based decision, and their kind of vindication either backfired or like they made the wrong move. 2 major arcanas on the reverse, so it's like some kind of habit that somebody does is detrimental to their growth as a person. Damn. So someone's been immature. Somebody was on some pick me energy. You know what I mean? Somebody here was playing victim about some kind of information they were trying to get, and man, like, swords are messages, and the temperance talks about like when 2 things come together and work, and these messages are upside down, basically saying like, oh, like, this is a bad union here, this is something that's not good with each other. And man, it doesn't seem to be the case. Like, someone did something very impulsively. Someone did something very immaturely. Someone did some like an evil eye. You know what I mean? Like, somebody was like, yo, why them? Not me. They kind of the fuck up, or whatever the case may be, and I'm over here doing what I gotta do and making sure this, that, and the third. How come they get this and I don't? You know what I mean? That type of energy. That's fucked up. So this is definitely a soulmate situation, or somebody close to you, that felt like home. You know what I mean? Again, air sign energy with these swords here. Realizing your power and shit like that. Realizing, the God in you, if you will, with this union. That's what it felt like anything is possible type shit. But there was some kind of lack of appreciation. I'm not sure if it has to do with like actual money and funds. Maybe they felt like somebody was being used for money, or which don't make no sense, because this 2 of Cups is up, so it's the 8 of Swords. Breaking free into a connection. But at the same time, perhaps somebody here, because they really felt like they were on their King Dingaling shit. You know what I mean? Like, they were throwing their whole fucking, you know what I mean? They were flaunting. They were flaunting. And they probably thought, like, you know, that's what it is. Like, you know what I mean? I can get my way anytime I want, this, that, and the third, because I'm this type of person. But the lack of appreciation and the lack of fucking satisfaction, like, that's crazy. Like, it just seems as though, like, look at this. These two on the reverse. Just 2 rows that we just did. And then these two on the upright. It was like somebody was having this one life here. You know what I mean? And where they felt a lack of appreciation. And where they felt, you know what I mean, a lack of pleasure. On this end, it was like different. Abundance. You know? Pep in the step. Things are possible. You know what I mean? Making somebody feel like they not a king of wands, but like they're emperor. And 2 or 3 of cups. It's like progress and emotional fulfillment. A movie, I'm trying to tell you. So, it's like, in the past, somebody fell victim to mooches. But we have this Ace of Cups here. And it's like when they got their cup fulfilled, you know what I mean? It was like, they would do things without thinking. Yeah, very impulsive energy. Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords. You feel me? Maybe that's how somebody shows love, by spending. You know, so that's why I'm not. Those messages up here, there's like, word, like there's no way that somebody could, you know what I mean, take money from you if you the type of person that shows love by spending money. You know what I mean? So like, whoever got into your head about that was definitely doing some shit on purpose. Or you allowed yourself, yep. You allowed yourself to kind of like self-sabotage the situation. Splitting the deck. It's like someone here had options, you know, when it comes to love. And but within this connection, it was like almost instant. I think this 2 of Cups people that are the main characters of this story that I'm reading right now were on the same energetic frequency, and that's why they met. It was like they complemented each other in ways that were similar and different. Like, it worked. Magician, Strength card, 6 of Swords. Word. 2 major arcanas again. 9, 10 of wands. Yeah, this person fucked up. King of Cups in the reverse. They know it now. They know it now. But what they gonna do about it? Even you know it now. Whoever the masculine, whoever fucked up, you know what I mean? What are they gonna do now? Whoever was just in their lane, you're gonna have to, keep pushing, keep hustling, keep doing your thing. Listen, truth. King, Queen of Cups. These are soulmate situation. But whatever. If this resonated, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. You already know the love's here always. Until next time, my friends. Peace and love.